What's up, peeps? So I called it a half day today. Spent the morning in the workshop working on the patrol. But now I'm going to catch up with Elliot and Rachel, and maybe some others, up at the Cancoban Dam. So basically lately it has just been cars for me. If you want to check that out, Limiter Bash Customs, I'll chuck all my social media stuff up, up here. It's also linked in the description below. Go check it out, like it, subscribe it, share it. Every little bit helps. And now that we're slowly coming out of lockdown, I'll be able to do a lot more of these other things rather than just working on vehicles. So the Vic New South Wales border is opening up at the end of this month completely, which is friggin' awesome. Means we've got a few different trips planned, and that'll mean a bunch more content for you guys, as long as I actually edit it and upload it rather than just going out and doing things, which is quite possibly going to happen. Let's get on up the mountain, meet Elliot, Rachel and whoever else at the Cancoban Dam and see what the afternoon has to offer.
Welcome to the Sharp Shipping Show. Fishing show. A show where we don't catch fish. Come on, mister.
What are you doing to my poor worm?
Shall I give him a minute? How did you get that so far wrapped?
It wasn't me.
You used to be like, I'm getting a bite. I'm like, no, you're dreaming. There's nothing there.
What do you mean getting a bite? We don't need to
No,
get
a bite.
Oh, bite.
He's not going to get a bite when he's, tangled up with my worm.
Oh, you.
It's alright, you can hold it back in the boat. Now, Elliot, if I'm just going here, you have to go the other way.
What?
You've got to share the boat top.
Might have done enough, El. We might have done enough.
Yeah, that's actually not that cold at all.
It was a good afternoon out with the Sharp family for taking me out on the boat. It was good fun. We didn't catch anything, so we can't call it fishing. Just went out boating for the afternoon. But now it's time to head on home so we can edit this video. So I will see you at home. And I'm back. Truth be told, I've actually been home for a number of hours and just procrastinated. When I got home, the neighbours were mowing the lawn and I didn't want that all in the background. So I watched the movies and, you know, did other things that was not very productive, even though I had plenty of other much more productive things I should be doing. So anyway, now we're going to take this, chuck it on the computer, do some editing, work some magic, try and make something. Obviously, if you're seeing this, it's exactly what I did. But yeah, it was a great day. Out on the water, in some sun, out of the workshop, which is a bit of a change. Catching up with Elliot, Rachel, and his family. And then, yeah, it was a brilliant break, so hopefully there'll be plenty more of that kind of stuff to come. Maybe some a little bit more excitement. If we go back out, hopefully we actually catch a fish. There'll be some trips coming up. As I mentioned, I think in the start of this video, we are going to the coast early next month, if everything goes well and we can still travel and all that kind of stuff when that comes around. At which point, stay tuned for that video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out, as there will be probably a number of videos coming from that trip. Plus, who knows what else is happening. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I certainly enjoyed the day. And I will catch you in the next one.